In this video, I'm going to show you how to use IC Markets on MT5. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your IC Markets dashboard, and in there, you want to click on the Accounts tab, and here you can go ahead and create either a demo or a real MT5 account. I'm going to create a demo one for this tutorial, so I'm going to click on MT5 and then open New Demo Account. And here, make sure MT5 is selected, select your account type, select your currency you'd like to use, your leverage, and then your initial deposit as well, and then click on proceed. Now, after you do this, your demo account is going to be created in just a few seconds, and you'll receive your login credentials as well, of course, as your username and password and the server onto your email. Now, after you do that, of course, you'll be able to go ahead and sign in to your MT5 account, but of course, before that, you'll also need the password, which is over here. So for me, I just created this account over here. We're going to need the following things. This is going to be the login. Over here is going to be the password. I'm not going to show you, but that's the password. And here is the server. Okay. So if I now remove this over here to the second monitor and open up MT5, click on File, top left, click on Open an Account, look for IC Markets. Okay, IC Markets, and then click on Find Your Company. If it doesn't find the exact IC market you're looking for, just scroll down a bit and you should find it. There we go. Here they are. And you're going to have a bunch of different regions. I'm going to click on the EU because that's the one I'm using. And I'm going to click on Next. And then under Connect to an existing trade account, you want to click on this button. And again, as I said, the login is going to be that long number next to your demo account name or real account name. The password is going to be the one that you can also reveal on the site, and then you can just basically copy it and paste it in here, which I did right now. And then, of course, it's a demo account because I use the demo version. Now, I'm going to click on Finish. And as you can see over here, I've successfully logged in, and I'm now connected with IC Markets to my demo account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.